We are at Bholanath Precision Engineering Private Limited with Ambar Koiri, the Managing Director of Bholanath Precision. They are participating at Automation Expo.
Right.
So can you just give a brief journey about Bholanath?
Bholanath was started actually by my father in 1978 as a labor job unit. I finished my masters in electronics and joined in 92, and from there we expanded. My brother joined after doing his mechanical engineering. So we are into electro-mechanical automation. So right now I am proud to say that India's first AC Servo motor we have manufactured, and we have put it on display here.
Okay, and we also seen that many drilling machines which is displayed here with kind of automation where you can the manual operations can be completely automated. Can you just talk about that innovation?
See, the need came COVID time when people ran away to all the villages, and the industry was left without manpower. And there was a need for low cost automation. So all the automation, everyone knows, if you remember, automation is cost. Now we wanted to break that barrier.
Okay.
So we have converted conventional machines to inputting some of our devices like Slice Rotary, our controllers, and we have made it a very good, economical, effective, low-cost automation products.
So it's all make in India, developed all this innovations, everything is done by
everything.
here.
So we make all the motors, drives, controllers, stepper motors, servo motors, all kinds of slides, rotary. So we have around 20-25 product lines.
And what is the response you are getting from the market about these products?
Wonderful, wonderful. In fact, proud to say, COVID years mein our production and our turnover doubled.
Okay.
Because of this low-cost automations.
Where is your factory and what is the facility like?
Our factory is around 50 kilometers away from Mumbai.
Okay.
It is a 28,000 square feet industrial shed is there with a 14-acre plot, and we have developed it like a resort.
Oh.
So we do natural farming there also, and for people, workers, we have a swimming pool, we have a badminton court, we have a volleyball court. So a good resort type facility is there, so people enjoy there, and everything is manufactured in-house. So we have a strength of now around 150 people. So in manufacturing and sales, marketing, accounts, around 50 people.
Bholanath is concentrating on low-cost automation.
Right.
And I think we all should visit his factory, a resort-like factory, which is near to Mumbai. And we from Machine Maker would also like to visit you and cover it.
Welcome. Always welcome.
Thank you very much for your time.
Sure. Thank you.